Ebusian for a high Ghana SMTV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for say or Ghana there, we yo be a there. Obeka chiro say one share ya me ye Atta. We say who name na ko pe asem wo baby a one share ya na yakoye Atta. Anything. MPP primaries, the dynamics are very, very, very some way. And our odds no so that miss any time there, especially between the two leading camps. Now, one of the core members of Bawumia's campaign in 2023, Hon Ken Naa Toshie, no, by 1 month, 2 months, was switching to Honorable Ken Japon's camp. Now, after switching, no, she hit the grounds running. I said, oh yeah, mop up. Okay? Wherever Honorable Ken Japan has gone to, she's trying to mop up the regions and sell the agenda of Honorable Ken Japan to delegates. And share her story, say she once believed in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. She doesn't believe it anymore. Now she believes in being connected. Now, all around this, Bawumia can't say, hey, Atta Naa Toshie, no, yan share. She would succeed in sweeping a lot of undecided voters to Ken's advantage. Now, strategies Ben employs this year. Just like the way God in heaven was looking for who to send to earth. No, Amutina Sesana who say, Entimi Napo. Entimi, Chairman Samboso has also tried to do his own, but we need someone who would be able to really, really, really hit Ken Japon's camp hard. And the onus fell on a Honorable Atta Akyea. Now, Honorable Atta Akyea, no, all started say, or the campaign, no. It was for first in our car, no, and a malafaka seminar. Okay, no, it actually took over the debate. Recently, I bet 2 or 3 days ago, Honorable Atta Akyea Echo UTV. And I can say, Honorable Ken Japan or any classmate on an Echo school. Now, Osro say, ma coin massa papa be a flag bearer of MPP. I said, me about now a Bob Yasum. As I said, there, friend emotional intelligence there, Papa no nibi. Now, okay, when you know, and I do not say. That statement that he made was a technical knockout. Now, with the way Honorable Atta Akyea didn't win G campaign in Moody, it has made foolishness of the impact that Naa Toshie is making. So, as a campaign, as switchy, nobody is caring any longer to hear whatever Naa Toshie is saying. We don't even know where she is any longer. But Atta Akyea is a man of the moment. And I just love the kind of competition now or MPP, even though some of it is unhealthy, but for young ones who are coming into politics and young ones who are looking forward to learn, I think say a very good time to live in, and we'll keep you updated with how things proceed from here. Let's listen to what Vim Lady has to say about this. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. Cheers.
Almost show boys was not check. Enti banaponum papa kakra na omaye no, those ones will come back and reward them. Now o de he anope Atta Akyea call by UTV, you know, it will be same style be Atta Akyea. The classmate be Canada Japan. Enti otwemu say no Naa Toshie ade a oye no Eastern region Western North Ashanti Greater Accra region no. Ahwe Bawumia ne ho be kire no e na omo release omo nkofo ni nyina. Enti after I don't suffer the any backfire. I could have been. I don't suffer the baby. I may say, or can't say Canada Japan didn't matter. Man, Obiakai. But baby, you can't say, Mamma to money because Canada Japan by all mommy post. And we have worked Canada Japan because, of course, Canada Japan by all your family and friends. So that one, it was a backfire. Can't you buy me smart? Almost and one backfire. Pay release Atta Akyea and cause same my what the heck. Atta Akyea ban no pen obey same style baby. Not yes. Canada Japan does not have emotional intelligence to lead Ghana. Simplicity. No punching Canada Japan. Say any classmate on your nimno. Anya Ghana for na ye de anim Canada Japan wa abonti. Oso no do nim no ne na classroom. Ah, ko so omo nyini. And wasane na be the same political party Canada Japan lack emotional intelligence. And the same way, it's very likely that a lot of people will agree with Atta Akyea say Canada Japan na ye nim the first now obubom. A lot of people had accused him at the time. So only emotional intelligence. But it is also true that Nelson Canada Japan, he's not the same person. He's not the same person. Canada Japan has refused to be pushed. Now saying no, Obia who said first no only emotional intelligence, and then he's gained some because we go for pushing but still on Kasai. But you see, Atta Akyea say ma oba UTV and opo be kan back on say Canada Japan o suro ni kuma or part say Canada Japan dia why na say na washada all purpose nti na onya pe na kuma ne be san ba Atta Akyea Atta Akyea what's so for Atta Akyea lay pastor also for that just say what put here first Canada Japan say be say oh na kuma na say why study no boy. It is only temporary. Obetna konya sa kuma ne besan ba. Wan hwe oto won ma obeche rollins o chi aka a t-shirt bo aka style bia bi no we de. Wan hwe Canada Japan cabinet meeting we minister. Na be ye raw for hon ma pay. Hey, obesiza Dangbele bi obecha o cabinet meeting no. Wan hwe who the one na nye University of Ghana Medical Center. From cabinet to University of Ghana Medical Center. We are obepa uti. Because Canada Japan is okuta black belt o. Oni mutakoko. Nti no kan so no sorry a. Oda osoda ye sika ne ntokwa. Okuta black belt. Enti asem Atta Akyea kan is giving some kind of enya value so Canada Japan the rough obebro so. But you see, me say all these things that Bawumia campaign here no. Omo here because Canada Japan any na Toshie say omo campaign in 3 major regions that I am aware of. In Greater Accra region, in Ashanti region and Western North. And my year akosi kwate ba bonti so Atta Akyea attack Canada Japan no boa. Ni nyina no asema Canada Japan kan ya Atta Akyea kwa fan personal. I into say he needs to go out and fire Canada Japan ni nyina no. Ene ono kwa na no de no. Nti we a stray bullet here Atta Akyea air to man Canada Japan no atwa fanchen we stray bullet and drop you Canada Japan so because I say Canada Japan was not referring to Katie Amon. Okay, this is about Katie Amon. Not Atta Akyea. When he said he bought 500,000 house and gifted it. Okay, see, he wasn't on your massam cry no on Diomo. Into what I first asked him no about attack Canada Japan no way no. Why are you? And let me show you what Naa Toshie said. Even baby, Naa Toshie crack can't say a punchline. I mean, said then you hold you back here, Naa Toshie.
Pa obetimia boyen. Ama ye winning power. Eye Kennedy or Hini Japan. Epacho Esno election 2024 and Esno election 2028. Who to me baki obi 24. And so nipanene ye said ye si we ye aba wonya ye and new more be ye ebetre so ube twaso na won twaso. Me hwa nyoma akoso na and I'm here imagine say mercy sem enye nko Dr. Brian Champo Dr. Dutum wonyina na nke nyina ye adwuma ma Dr. Bawumia nso ende wo mo afa forms e na wo mo anka say gina ana meboa enti se ba ne se wo nso pese wo sesa wadwene a bibia ni hu enso me de me ye no minim se me yo ba no o se me ye nkrani o chese me ntumi hu ade atem didie nko a muko radio so a brand
eti Naa Toshie atema o kan say omu didi na tem all because we cross the carpet from Bawumia camp aba Canada Japan camp o say obia wo right sources na there which is true but o say ono de nipa o we need prime minister obetumi win elections ama MPP ni Canada Japan nye Bawumia o say nya ono kwa na hu Dr. Dutum Brian Champo omu nyina hu tu no bia free a friend saying omu camp no obia free Bawumia camp this is what she's saying so omu nyina hu kani anu that's why they've all left Bawumia's camp to Canada Japan's camp. But ono ye no mo didi na you see she's giving credence to the fact that say omu free Canada Japan camp be attack Bawumia omu wo di entia because Bawumia camp di o matem. This is what she's saying. O say Bawumia camp omu didi na tem sa. It means say o chire bi wo say omu camp Omu ye ba omia camp and say a 1-1 draw. Sa no person chire. And this is the damage on na Machanti region near the nyina koye. So let me take you back to Atta Akyea. And opedi obese mu UTV no.
It is in him like presidential quality.
I don't see presidential quality. I can see him that he can do some businesses. Businesses are over exaggerated.
How?
Because and nobody saying now a friend saying factories that don't want now no. I was in 19. Away 19 factories away. One net was say when your nyans and for our coffee kube at was a kube nie na you bet me enya way free kube. I don't know that unye kube to me boa nation. I don't know that unye. It's every crowd near we campaigning, you know, because hey, and then offer to trade minister who new presidential material. What's
the trade minister?
Of course, someone now all the products are being.
Well, I know they Atta Akyea can a mistake because look at Dentina, Kennedy Japan that don't you kubenua. I'm ready and teaching on my kube business. Ghana a free country. Kennedy Japan see coastal no. I'm ready and forcing to go to coastal. And Atta Akyea so no so bet me kube factory ni bia ko bet me aye. I'm ready no I say by force obi nya factory. I think Atta Akyea should just be fair. Say the first no be nisika de enya no one time o. First so be nisika and no be enya sika. First so be ni idea and no be enya idea no so be bibia. I don't think say campaign na ba omiane ata Kennedy Japan company we should go into this issue. Oh, I don't know that one year. I know there it's matter because Kennedy Japan cast obesi block 37 no. I don't know be America I don't know that the MPP for by and when see block no. But if you are fair na ne ho aso, afei na wanya sika. Inti afei no pesos, inti I know the Atta Akyea yourself until bojidi if you slow down ponyelo Atta Akyea you for ponyelo for there oh you careful ho but you to Atta Akyea come on me pe baby o kind emotional intelligence oh no punching Kennedy Japan no
also ideas and what ideas now you can implement it.
Yes, the ideas now you know how far have you implemented it privately. The track record is there. I feel Miss Local as a mecca, my factories do well because I'm here. GR rebelled me. I think about the Dimechi. How can a man be afraid to expose his success for scrutiny? How? What contradiction is this? It's a minimum baby who are working. Between the teams, Papa, is he sure he wants to become a president? But Mama, basically, the Sabbath Bible here said me Atta Akyea. Many fear will AU village. Nyamini ni pen.
No betim so don start to Bible no so say wo mo awoda.
O mo ami. E fa de be ho no wo de bo ami. $50,000 ana. Na me wura parliament kwa na me need $50,000. Why? Why is he lying like that? Said there be na 50,000 me ho wa kire me na me hear them me compare rent advance ana.
Okay, I had Atta Akyea kasa he's right because you see Atta Akyea before about parliament he was one of the most successful lawyers. On any Ghana cases no dio. Odi cases and confond if you are brochire diaspora America UK any other normal de brand in the end there Atta Akyea $50,000 there na no there may defend the Atta Akyea always sika me say before about parliament he was one of the most successful lawyers. O sika hu hia ne sa no there Baso kobo Kennedy Japan hobosia de no na asem na wakwaje kra say
na me hear 50,000 from ana
we dey tie
the pacho make me akachiro play enkofo bi didi nsam amenka hu bi enkofo bi age ni sika me Atta Akyea amenka hu bi me mbrage say me du akira ba me nya la sulela me ko be deep politics ni ade nyina enkofo bebre ni me before me baba politics na enya de me ko ken Hina Japan ko sense o mo ame na me fe sika nye bibi me se ene say studio ha o reduce studio into a conveyor belt no obeka bia na mama nako mo man fa title deed no be kirebo eti frɛ no say title deed
say that I'm not anointed. We have spoken and it has come to pass. We are blessed and it has been established. So it's not for you to determine whether somebody and whatever. That thing was all orchestrated by Kennedy Japan. Because really? He felt, you are in Ghana. Because he felt that I have said.
You still have an issue with Kennedy? You still have an issue with him?
Before coming, I've been spoken to.
Yes.
To let him be.
Of course.
But
I mean,
what I'm trying to say is that, watch this.
you were on his case, and he says, "Look, that is not right."
No, I wasn't in his case. He brought the fight to my door.
Are you ready to reconcile with Kennedy Japan? Are you ready?
Some senior men of God have made that.
I want to call him on this program
so
tonight.
what I'm saying is,
will
that
you speak to him? Yes.
Bola, some senior men of God have called us, and we met.
Oh, you met.
And he said sorry to me. And he said that onokro nimi no knowing krami colleague on me and that is it. But you are always hammering somebody's son is fake. Somebody's son is that. So, but you see, it's past.
No, so you've met him. Are you not ready to reconcile? Like, maybe, I don't know whether you guys...
I have forgiven him because I have authorities, and when they speak, even if it's against my will, I have to.
So maybe you're also on his case and he was hurt.
No, I have never been. So if you could give me a second.
Okay.
See, I'm an authority. I have senior men of God, senior fathers and mothers that speaks with me. And when they said that regardless of whatever, I should let it go, I will let it go. But when I look at my scars, I have forgiven him. But the damage he caused to the church of God, and that is what is going to cost him. If 31st, the prophecy I'll give about Kennedy Japan will shock the whole nation. By the Spirit of God, I've seen it, I've written it down. He had a fine opportunity, but he messed it up. But we'll get there. So, for me, my fathers have spoken to me not to say anything about him.
Are you ready to meet Kennedy Japan tomorrow?
No, I don't need.
No. If we should arrange that, Ken, and he's a great man, he's a good man.
Yeah.
Are you ready to meet him?
To you, he's a good man.
He's a good man.
Yeah, I respect that.
Yeah.
But to me, he wasn't good to me.
Yes, but I'm saying that you said if you've forgiven him and you want to forget. As a man of God, are you ready to meet up with him?
You see, that is the mistake we do. I'm a man of God, but I'm a human being. There is human fricativeness in me.
So let it go, Nigel.
No, watch me. The pain is so surgical and conscious that I cannot let it go. I've forgiven him.
Then you are not of God.
No. Watch me. If on that base, you are going to be the Bible. You are going to be the Bible.
No, I'm just pleading as a human being.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that whether I like him, I don't like him, it doesn't take anything from him. But what I'm saying is that I've been spoken to, so I want to be measured. Because
maybe you should meet him and hear him out. Are you ready to do that?
What if I were to be Kennedy, and he, with the plan he has, you see, he has offended some of us. He has offended some of us. And the damage and the injuries is what we went beyond, and even beyond the nation of Ghana, to make sure that NDC loses. That is MPP, sorry to say, MPP loses. He must personally, yes, one or two people have come on his behalf to say sorry here and there, but it's not enough. Because you see, what Kennedy did to the church, and you see, I saved the body of Christ. Yes, I saved the body of Christ.
You did?
Yes, because with what I knew he was going to do again, that came to my office with video. Nobody in Ghana or the world at large that monitors the Christian front of Ghana would have gone to church again. And all these were not true. He said, I'm a murderer. No police. Me, I've never been invited by police. You put some people around me on TV because I said Muhammad will be president. And I saw it. That we have slept with all the women in the church. Why is our manhood donkey or a horse manhood?
Are you married?
I am.
Do you have girlfriends?
I don't have a girlfriend.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yes, I don't have a girlfriend.
Some I think a popular musician or somebody came, they were labeling you.
It's normal when you're handsome. When you are handsome, you're educated.
Oh, so you heard that?
Yes, you're educated.
You've never taken a girlfriend before?
I have taken a girlfriend before, but not within the space of me doing ministry at work. But Bola,
you're not married, or you were married? I wasn't. Or it just happened?
No, watch me. I went to Legon. I was in Ekwafuho. I know what's up.
Okay, you know what's up.
I hope
I know.
I'm wearing Galasu.
Galasu, Angelo Galasu. By the way, he's coming to Ghana on the 7th of December.
I know.
I'll make sure that you meet him.
I hear you, sir.
Yes.
I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And
you're a guy.
Yes, and what I'm saying, I'm proud that I went to Legon.
Yeah.
So it's normal for people to say these things. I call it occupational hazards.
Were you a bad boy in Legon?
No, I wasn't. I was a pastor then in Legon. I was in 3
But that's where you had your girlfriends.
No,
in Legon,
yes, in second year.
You're a pastor, but you had
a
second year. I know your ex-girlfriend. Yes.
Yeah, Jessica.
Yes.
Yeah. A pastor must date, but a pastor does not date from the moon. A pastor must date before. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yes, I get it.
Yes, sir.